collaboration with 4-H, America's largest youth development organization, the Smithsonian Stories for History program provides an opportunity to elevate and empower youth voices from rural communities across the country. Participants between the ages of 10 to 19 develop a civic engagement project that amplifies local stories of democracy, centering on topics that matter most to them. With support from 4-H leaders and the Smithsonian, 4-Hers conduct research and interviews to learn more about their community and share their findings through a video project. Through this experience, 4-H youth understand the importance of being an informed citizen and build career readiness skill sets that can be applied to their future pathways. Anyone can be an agent of change, even you. Here are 3 things you and your youth can do to get involved in your community. Be informed. Engage in conversations with neighbors to gain new perspectives and learn more about the issues impacting your community. Dig deep. Go to your local library, historical society, or museum to research an issue facing your community. Get involved. From designing a poster to speaking with your local representatives, there are so many ways to be an agent of change. How will you use your voice?